Hi, I'm Stephen Goldstein with the law firm of Goldstein and Handwerker. Today I'd like to talk to you about if you've had an accident before your current case, how does that other accident affect your present case? Well, a lot of times I get new clients come to me and they'll say to me, I was in an accident 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, even 20 years ago. Is that going to affect my present case? And the short answer and simple answer is probably. Because here's what happens when you're involved in a personal injury case. The insurance company evaluates your claim to see first, is there any way where they could try and defend as to whether your injury was caused by the accident that they're defending. So what do? Well, they have a system where if you've ever made a claim before, they're able to find that out. So if you're 50 years old and when you were 18 you were in a car accident, they're able to find out. If you ever made a claim for medical bills, if you ever made a claim for pain and suffering, if you ever had any lawsuits, they'll know about that. Now, is that fatal to your present case? And again, the answer is no. First, the most obvious, if in your first accident you had knee surgery, but in your present accident you've hurt your shoulder, then of course it doesn't matter. Where does it get more tricky? Well, let's say 30 years ago when you were in high school and you played football and you hurt your knee, and then 25 years later you're in a car accident and you're complaining of knee pain, and the insurance company somehow finds out about that. Well, what they're going to do is they're going to hire doctors who are going to say, even though you've been fined for 20, 25 years, the fact that you hurt your knee 25 years ago is the reason that you're walking around with pain now. What is your lawyer supposed to do, and what will your lawyer do? Most good personal injury lawyers are able to overcome that by claiming that even if there was something there before, you were doing fine for a long time. This is what lawyers call aggravations or exacerbations of prior injuries. I know that's legalese. What it means in plain English is that they'll say, hey, they were doing fine for a long, long time, and then all of a sudden after the accident things are bad. It's not because of what happened 20 years ago, 10 years ago, or even 5 years ago. It's because of the present accident. So in sum, if you did have an accident or had an injury before your current case, the best thing and the only thing you should do is you must let your lawyer know about it, because trust me, the insurance company will know about it. If you have any questions about this topic or any other topics we've talked about, please don't hesitate to call me at the number listed below, or you could always send me an email at the email address listed below. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope this information was helpful.